Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and let's just talk about getting real about learning something new. Alright, as you've noticed, I've not made a video in a while because this is becoming a little bit more challenging than I was expecting. So we're just going to talk very realistically about the learning process. So, jumping back into it, I thought I could piecemeal and read some things and fill in the blanks because of everything that I have learned up until now. That is not the case. So we're going to kind of, a term that I have learned in my new job, we're going to level set and kind of have like a start over point. So we're going to drop our Uber data for now, and we're going to go to one of the classic, either some built-in data of sklearn or we are, and we're going to choose from there. We're probably going to do maybe the pedal length. So the reason why we're doing this is more of a linear, because we're going to need to learn about regression, and there are a large number of we get really heavily into the math with regression. So I've decided that we really need to, for our first outing in our first model, we're going to need to do linear regression. So an XY combination, where when something happens with X, it is very predictive of what it's going to do to Y. So real short video today. Like I said, everything that I've been doing these days has been some sort of humbling experience. Well, I had to take my own medicine, and I think we're like 3 weeks now without a video. So, and I've been trying to figure out how to do multiple videos a week again. So we're just going to level set. I know, and I've picked a book. I don't quite remember which one it is right now, but in the subsequent videos, I will share the book that we're going through and the process in which we are going to be using, and I will share all of those steps, just like I did when we were going through and learning about SQL with the book that I ran across that the data scientist that allowed me to use. I think these books fall under fair use, so I don't think we'll have an issue with that. So there we go, guys. Just want to keep everything real with you guys. Like I said, we're going to be doing this together. You're going to be seeing me go through, make mistakes, but learn from them and move on. So that's what we're going to be doing together. So all right. As always, guys, please make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, video requests, jumping over to the Discord server. We have a lot of good support happening over there. So post any of your questions there. They'll get answered faster by myself or someone else on the community. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.